Hey everyone, it's Bree. I'm back with another scrapbook process video for the Blvd creative team, and I'm going to be creating my first layout using the brand new School is Cool collection, and I really wanted to use the Smarty Pants cutout piece from the Smarty Pants cutout package. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm taking a piece of thicker white paper. This is, I think it's about 110 Nina paper. And I am applying both washi tapes just stacked on top of each other, and I'm going to flip over the side and trace the inside of a few of these letters. Now when I go to fussy cut the letters out, I am going to cut around the pencil line just so that each piece is big enough to back my cutout with. The washi tapes I am going to be using, the blue and white one is called Ice Dot, and then the black and white one is called Dotty. I love to find creative ways to work with cutouts / cut files. I like to back them with mixed media. I like to make shakers. I like to maybe add some string or use washi tape to back them or to color them up and do ink blending. So my plan was to get creative with it and back a couple letters with washi tape and then back the other ones using some of the pattern paper. Now I originally traced the A to be the black and white, but because both of the polka dots were right next to each other, I thought I would actually make the T in the black and white washi tape. So to get creative again with this cutout, I did think about adding stripes to the Smarty portion of the cutout, but I went with polka dots and just hand drew a little bit of, or a few dots, not a few, actually quite a bit of dots onto the Smarty portion. So for the base of my layout, it's going to be white cardstock, but then I wanted to add some pattern paper. So I took the coloring pattern paper, ripped down the sides, and roughed up the edges, and then I'm just going to adhere it to the piece of white cardstock. Now I did pop up the whole cutout on foam tape. I like to pop up a lot of my cutouts or / cut files on foam. I like the extra dimension, and I like the shadow, and I like to tuck things here and there like underneath my cut file or cutout. So I've got that centered, and I'm going to map my photo using that apple paper. I can't remember what the name of that paper is. But my son, he is starting his senior year, and he wears uniforms out here. So his shirt is red. So I really wanted to pull in more of the red to match his shirt. And so this photo is of my oldest son, Noah. He is a senior this year, and it's absolutely crazy to me. And he got to drive his new car. So he was so excited for school this year, especially to drive his new car. And this was the only picture that he approved. Everything else, like the close-ups of him, he's like, don't use them, just use this one. So I only used this one, just like he asked me to. So there is this really awesome chalkboard piece in, I think it was the ephemera icon pack, and I thought it would be fun to put senior year class of 23 using the white Florence alphas, and then so it's like it was written in chalk, but then to take it another step further, I added some white gelato to make it look like a dirty chalkboard, and I love it. So I popped it up on foam, and I'm going to put it to the left of my photo. So now all I'm doing is I'm embellishing with the ephemera icons, and then the ephemera, I think it's words, the ephemera words. So I just pulled a few pieces in that I thought would work, and I end up choosing a few bits here and there. So I thought it would be fun to add an apple in that little empty spot on my chalkboard. So I do pull out one of these apples from the epoxy stickers, and then one of these tags from the ephemera word pack. I added some yellow twine to it, and then I'm going to add this really cute chipboard owl. And now I'm going to start working on the rest of my clusters by adding some tangled thread here and there. So I do use yellow, red, and blue. I am adding some chipboard stars. There is this A+ little ribbon that I'm adding. My son found out that he is the number 8 student in his class in regard to grades, and I'm so proud of him. So I thought I would add that, and I will add some journaling off camera. He was just, he's very humble when it comes to stuff like that, so I think I was more excited, and he's like, Mom, it's not that big of a deal. I'm like, no, it is. He works really hard, and he's so smart, so just knowing that he's number 8 in the class, that's just exciting. So I have to be a proud mom and celebrate him and all his hard work. So now all I'm doing is adhering a few floral pieces from the ephemera packs, just in different colors. I'm trying to use red to pull in more of the red in his shirt. So getting those in, adding some puffy stickers, which are probably one of my favorite things from this collection. And then I'm adding another red element. It's like a phrase word sticker that says memories. Another one that says smile. And then I add another one at the top left. I think it says ready in green. I think that top left cluster needed a pop of green. I do add some black paint splatters. I don't know if I get that on camera. I think I do it after the fact, just to bring in a lot of the other black elements on my page. But here's a little close-up. I had so much fun with this layout. Here is the full page here in just a second. I hope that you like it. This collection is stunning. It is gorgeous with so many fun different elements to it. I can't wait to use it again to document my youngest son and his first day of freshman year. So thank you so much for watching, commenting, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.